Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to export and save worksheets as new workbook with Kutools for Excel. If you have multiple worksheets needed to be saved as a separate workbook, the first method cannot be a good choice, and the VBA code may be a little complicated for Excel beginners. Here you can use the split workbook utility of Kutools for Excel to quickly and easily export and save each worksheet of one workbook to separate new workbook. Click on the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click on Split Workbook feature. In the Split Workbook dialog box, please do as follows. All of the worksheet names have been checked by default. If you don't want to split some of the worksheets, you can uncheck them. If you want to avoid splitting the hidden or blank worksheets, you can check the Skip Hidden Worksheets or Skip Blank Worksheets options. And also you can check specify save for as type format and select split the sheets, then save as text file, PDF file or CSV file. In default, if you do not check this option, it will split sheets and save as workbook. Then click the split button and choose the folder that you want to put the new workbooks to. Click on select folder button. Then each checked worksheet in the split workbook dialog box is exported and saved as an individual workbook. Each new workbook is named with the original worksheet name. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.